Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Today, we've got an absolute gamachanger to showcase the 10.26 4K-Cam ADAS wireless CarPlay Android Auto Car DVR. This revolutionary piece of tech brings a whole new level of convenience and safety to your driving experience. First off, let's talk about the display size of 7, providing a clear and acid-read display, perfect for navigating through your favorite tunes or apps. The ADAS feature, or Advanced Driver Assistance Systems, is nothing short of incredible. It detects your surroundings and helps you avoid accidents through real-time voice alert, making your drive safer and more secure. This car DVR is compatible with both wireless CarPlay and wireless Android Auto, making it user-friendly for any driver. The easy installation and mounted features make it hassle-free and convenient, and the high resolution of 1,024,600 ensures that your videos and games look sharp and clear, providing a high-quality visual experience. With a powerful 4-core chip, you can expect fast booting and smooth operating systems, allowing you to maintain 4K image quality for the front camera and 1080p image quality for the rear camera while achieving 3-second fast boot. The device also supports Smart H265 intelligent encoding, which provides better image quality, smaller file sizes, and longer recording times. Now, let's talk about connectivity. This car DVR supports wireless CarPlay Android Auto connection, Carplay Miracast wireless mirroring, and various display modes such as full screen, split screen, front rear view full screen, and much more. You can even connect it via Bluetooth, FM transmitter, audio output, or native audio, giving you a range of options for listening to music in your car. Pair all of these features with its GPS navigation, GPS tracking app control, real-time reverse view, 24H parking monitoring, and loop recording capabilities, and you've got yourself a complete entertainment and safety package. The best part? It's incredibly easy to install and works with almost all car models. This universal compatibility makes it a must-have for drivers looking to elevate their driving experience to the next level. So, what are you waiting for? Upgrade your driving experience today with the 10.26 4K-Cam ADAS wireless CarPlay Android Auto Car DVR. Check the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible piece of tech. Don't forget to smash that like button and let us know in the comments below what you think of this amazing product. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next one.